1976 and has always been known as the keepers of the spirit in Aggieland. From the beginning, the Corps has steadfastly dedicated itself to producing leaders of character for our university, state, and our nation, and displayed the values of honor, integrity, discipline, and selfless service. Today's Corps maintains the same spirit and tradition of the past, but provides a modern, sophisticated program offering academic, leadership, athletic, and global initiatives. Cadets learn leadership in a military organization framework. However, membership in the Corps carries no military obligation. This year's Corps of Cadets is the largest in 40 years. Whether volunteering for campus or civic projects, providing personal outreach to those in need, or spearheading organized fundraising efforts, the Corps of Cadets reinforces their commitment to their university on a daily basis. The Corps of Cadets has a long history of providing leaders for the state of Texas. The Ross Volunteers serve as the official honor guard for the governor. Former cadets have served in all capacities of state service, such as the Texas National Guard, Texas State Guard, and civil offices, including the governor of Texas. Although many cadets pursue a career in the public and private sector, the Corps of Cadets consistently commissions more officers than any other institution outside of the nation's service academies. In their service to their nation, Aggies have served in every American conflict since the Spanish-American War. Selfless service, the desire and ability to put others before self and to make personal sacrifices to better the university, state, and nation. To the men and women of the Corps of Cadets, it's a core value, central to the organization, that shapes these future leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, on the field before you, the 2013-2014 Fightin' Texas Aggie Corps of Cadets forming the famed Block T.